Everything you see, everything you touch, everything you believe is solid may not be made of matter at all. For centuries, we believed the universe was built from particles, atoms, electrons, energy. But modern physics is pointing to something far more unsettling. What if reality is not made of things, but of information? Classical physics told us a simple story. The universe is a giant machine made of matter moving through space and time. If you know the position and motion of every particle, you know the future. But this comforting picture began to crack in the 20th century. Quantum mechanics shattered the idea of solid reality. Particles are not objects, they are probabilities. They exist as mathematical possibilities until measured at the deepest level. Nature does not describe things. It describes information about outcomes. Physicists began to notice something strange. The laws of physics don't talk about matter. They talk about relationships, numbers, symmetries, and equations. The universe behaves less like a machine and more like a computation. Physicist John Archibald Wheeler proposed a radical idea, it from bit. Every physical object, it arises from binary choices, from bits of information. Reality is not built from matter. Matter is built from answers to questions. In quantum physics, information is physical. Quantum states store information. Entanglement links information across space. Measurement extracts information and changes reality itself. The universe seems to care deeply about what is known. In the quantum world, observation is not passive. When you observe, you don't just reveal reality, you help create it. This raises a disturbing question: is reality unfinished until it is observed? Black holes pushed information physics to the edge. When matter falls into a black hole, does its information disappear forever? Physics says no. Information cannot be destroyed. Even black holes must preserve information. Black holes have entropy. They store information on their surface, not inside. This suggests that reality itself may be holographic. 3 dimensions of space encoded on a 2-dimensional surface. What if space and time are not fundamental? What if they emerge from deeper information processes? Modern theories suggest space-time itself may be woven from quantum information. Space is not the stage. It is the result. Some physicists propose a stunning idea. The universe is a computer. Particles are data. Forces are algorithms. Physical laws are code. Reality doesn't just exist, it computes itself. There are limits to information. The speed of light, the Planck length, the smallest possible units of time. Just like pixels in a screen, reality may have a resolution. If reality is information, a dangerous question emerges. Is the universe running on hardware outside itself? Is reality a simulation? Information physics does not claim this, but it makes the question unavoidable. Now comes the hardest question of all: consciousness. Your thoughts are information. Your mind processes data, but consciousness is not located anywhere in the brain. Is consciousness another information process? Some theories suggest consciousness arises from integrated information. Others suggest consciousness is fundamental and matter emerges from it. Is the universe aware? Or does awareness emerge inside it? If the universe is information, who wrote the code? Are physical laws discovered or programmed? Is mathematics the language of reality or its source? Ancient philosophy spoke of the logos, a rational principle underlying reality. In the beginning was the Word. Today, physics speaks of information, different languages, the same mystery. Mystical traditions have long claimed reality is mind-like, existence is thought made visible. The universe knows itself through observers. Information physics echoes these ancient ideas in modern form. Is information eternal? Did the universe begin as pure data? Is consciousness woven into reality itself? Physics does not yet know. But the questions are no longer philosophical fantasies. They are scientific frontiers. You are not just made of matter, you are a pattern, a process, an arrangement of information that became aware of itself. The universe may not be a place, but a message. If reality is information, then understanding the universe means understanding ourselves. If this video expanded your mind, like and subscribe to explore the deepest questions of existence together, because the greatest mystery is not what the universe is made of, but why it can be understood at all.